Just keep enjoying. I'll not talk any words from now. Even I'll enjoy the nature. Hello, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now we are heading towards a small trip. This is the first motor vlogging from my side. Feeling awesome. It's 5:30 in the morning. It's almost, I think so, it's 6 in the morning, and we are heading towards Namchalme, which is almost 25 kilometers from my home. Right now I was just checking whether my GoPro is working properly or not. Yeah, it's working all fine, no issues, no problem. I have no issues with the mic as well. By this time we would have reached that point. It would be great, but now it's already time up and we'll not have to get a beautiful sunrise there. We would have got beautiful sunrise there, but we will not get it right now. Oh my god, I shall have to put my gloves in a hurry. Let's move. Yes, the exact ride starts now. Sorry for not giving any intro directly. It was really late and we had to start, so that's the reason I'm directly vlogging from my GoPro itself. Oh, for God's sake, more is open at 6 in the morning. That's absolutely fantastic. The first thrilling experience, first on highway. Bere. So it's only 60. I have to find my brother right now. He said he will be here. So this is the one of the way that we'll be heading towards Devrayandurga State Forest. First we'll go to Namchalme, then to Devrayandurga State Forest. I think so I will not be going to Namchalme. I'll be directly heading towards Devrayandurga State Forest. It's so cold even after wearing the jacket. We're feeling really cold. This is the place where it heads towards Namchalme. First we'll be seeing Siddhganga Mutt, which you can see right now. That is the Siddhganga Betta, we call, like Siddhganga Mountains, wherein many people have got shelter from the Siddhganga Mutt. So many engineers have come, so many, it's so famous. People from all over the world come to this point. So we have a junction in the next point, like more 3 kilometers or 4 kilometers, There we'll find my brother. There me and my brother will meet. So right now I'll stop recording with my GoPro. Once we reach my brother, there is a main road we are heading towards. Then I'll come back with vlogging. So that's my brother, Melvin Roy again. So he just came now. Wait a second, I'll put my helmet in a proper manner. So can you see, look at the greenery. It's early in the morning and it's almost it's already 6:19. I can see it in my console itself, in this itself. I'm asking my wife. Just keep enjoying. I'll not talk any words from now. Even I'll enjoy the nature. So this is our Namadachalumi. We just entered Namadachalumi, and this is where we find a pretty amount of deer which has been kept in under conservation inside this, and we'll not be heading inside that, but we'll go here straight. Just enjoy the beautiful nature here. The throttle response is really good. BS6 variant. Oh, tree's been fallen. You can feel nothing. Very good suspension. Look at this view, guys. Look at this. Huh? So that was a trip, guys. Right now we are heading towards Kesarumadu to have some breakfast. We'll have some breakfast and then we'll leave back to my home and as usual to my work. So enjoy this. This was the first motovlogging of my Ray. It's nearby. Very nearby hotel is. I don't know if it's open or not. I guess it'll be open, but let them not only say that it's for parcel. Let them get the thing done. And this is the hotel. Wonderful, isn't it? Yes, we have got asking us to put the vehicle that side. Yes, we have a good spot here. I'll put my bike here.